Welcome to French Conversations for Beginners. Learn everyday French from Janina, the language teacher, and Joël from France.
Bonjour Joël.
Bonjour Janina.
Ça va?
Ça va très bien et toi?
Oui, ça va. And I'm especially happy today because I have a holiday. It's nice. I get to be home with you. So can you tell us about one of your national holidays in May? What happens on the 1st of May?
It's Labor Day.
That's your equivalent of Labor Day. It's
Yeah.
1st of May.
Yeah, it's the fête du travail.
Okay. All right. So tell me about how people celebrate, what happens. The banks obviously are closed.
Everything's closed on the 1st of May. Yeah,
Okay.
everything. That's the only day where in the catering industry we can have a day off.
Really?
That's mandatory. Yeah.
Really?
Otherwise we get paid double.
You get you get double time.
That's
wow.
the only-
How about that?
Only day.
Christmas, no.
No.
Wow, that's amazing. Okay. So the 1st of May, everything's closed. What do people do to celebrate normally?
Barbecue, family,
Okay.
usual.
I feel like there's a lot of holidays in France.
Yeah, a
there
lot.
are
A lot
lots
more
of
than
than I'm used
Here
to.
in the UK
Yeah.
or much more than in the US, yeah.
So we got chickens at our house in France the other day, right? That was
Yeah.
a holiday. Installing the chicken house.
Yeah.
Okay. And the weather tends to be really nice 1st of May, so people have a picnic or a barbecue
Yeah.
or okay. All right. So you said some not so good things happen also on the 1st of May. It's called La Fête du Travail, so Labor Day. Travail.
Yeah, it's usually the day the unions are doing demonstrations and stuff.
Okay, and what is it that they're generally after? What are the demonstrations about?
I don't know. Not really into that.
So is it people wanting more pay, more...
Yeah, the usual
Okay.
union stuff. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
We still have lots of communists in France, which is
And that's...
surprising, but yeah.
You mean people who actually belong to the Communist Party.
Yeah.
So they're not socialists, they're communists.
Yeah.
Or are they socialists? I'm a little confused.
That's
So
Yeah,
they're the
we've got-
Socialist Party.
yeah, but we've got also a lot of communists.
Okay. And so this is a really important holiday for them,
Yeah,
and they
yeah,
get
yeah.
together and they demonstrate for whatever they're concerned about.
Yeah, with
Okay.
red flags and this thing.
So you'll see a lot of that. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So in this situation, we're actually going on a picnic to celebrate, right?
Okay.
All right. I think, right? And actually, we're going to talk about that. We want to talk about celebrating, and since I'm new to France in our scenario, you're going to tell me about the 1st of May. All
Okay.
right.
Mais que se passe-t-il? Regardez ça, on ne peut pas avancer.
Quel embouteillage!
Mais c'est incroyable. Ce n'est pas le 1er mai pourtant.
Le 1er mai?
Oui, il y a toujours des manifs le 1er mai. Des manifestations, je veux dire.
Ah oui, c'est la fête du travail. Aux États-Unis, le Labor Day, c'est en septembre.
Et vous aussi, vous avez beaucoup de manifs?
Non, nous en général, nous avons un pique-nique.
Eh bien, regardez, on avance. C'est pas trop tôt.
Okay, all right. So you were saying that there's this huge traffic jam, and it's not even the 1st of May, okay?
Yeah.
Which we just talked about. There's demonstrations, and are there also a lot of traffic jams for people going away, like going out to the country for a picnic, a barbecue, just like we
Yeah.
talked about?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, because people in the cities, well, meaning Paris in particular, they escape Paris on the 1st of May. They go out
Yeah.
of Paris, they go in the country.
Yeah. Okay. So let me ask you, what's the first thing you said? You said, "What's happening?"
Mais que se passe-t-il?
Look at that.
Regardez ça.
We can't even pass.
On ne peut pas avancer.
And I said, what a traffic jam.
Quel embouteillage.
And then, but it's incredible.
Mais c'est incroyable.
It's not even the 1st of May.
Ce n'est pas le 1er mai.
And
Pourtant.
And what does pourtant mean? Means
Even?
however, even,
However,
but,
yeah.
okay. The 1st of May?
Le 1er mai.
And I said, yes, there's, or you said, yeah, that yes, there's a lot of manifestations, a lot of demonstrations on the 1st of May.
Oui, il y a beaucoup de manifs. Il y a toujours des manifs le 1er mai.
And you said, I meant to say...
Je veux dire des manifestations.
Okay. The full word, manifestation, meaning demonstrations.
Yeah. Rallies.
Yeah. And I said, oh, yeah.
Ah oui.
It's the Labor Day,
C'est
essentially.
la fête du travail.
In the United States,
Aux États-Unis,
Labor Day
yeah.
is in September.
C'est en septembre.
And then you said, and you also, do you have a lot of rallies, demonstrations?
Et vous aussi, vous avez beaucoup de manifs?
And I said, no, we
Non.
in general have a picnic.
Non, nous en général, nous avons un pique-nique.
Okay. And then you said, oh, look,
Eh bien, regardez,
we're moving ahead.
on avance.
And it's not too early.
Ce n'est pas trop tôt.
I don't think that I said that right. It's not too early. Ce n'est pas trop tôt.
Ce n'est pas trop tôt.
It's not too early. What's another way? What else could that mean? I don't.
C'est pas trop tôt? It's
Ce
not
n'est
too
pas
late.
trop. Okay. All right. All right. So, wherever they're going to have their fun day, their picnic, their whatever, a lot of other people are out, so traffic jam. So, how do you say traffic jam?
Embouteillage.
Embouteillage. Embouteillage.
Yeah, but we say a lot bouchon, like a cork.
Okay. Yeah.
Stuck in a traffic jam. Je suis pris dans un bouchon.
Well, you can see the word bottle in there, embouteillage, bouteille,
Yeah.
bottle, like bottleneck we say in
Yeah.
English. Let's traffic.
Embouteillage, it's embouteillé, means bottling.
Okay. So how do you say to happen or to take place?
Se passer,
To move forward.
avancer.
How do you say incredible?
Incroyable.
However,
Pourtant,
may,
mais,
demonstration or a rally.
manifestation, manif,
And to mean,
vouloir dire. signifier.
holiday,
Fête.
Labor
vacances. 1er mai. Fête du travail.
Day. Okay. How do you say also or to?
Aussi, également,
In general,
en général,
look.
regarde. Ou regardez.
Okay. And early.
Tôt.
Okay. Okay. All right. So, how likely is it? We've never been stuck in a traffic jam on the big toll roads ever.
Not with you. No, not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Okay.
Yeah. On those busy weekends in May, because we've got loads of big weekends in May. There is the 1st of May, Labor Day. There is the 8th of May, where we celebrate the end of World War II.
Okay.
There's the Ascension, plus another one. So that's nearly 3 long weekends usually. And on the Sunday night, when you come back to the cities, it's quite tough.
Yeah.
Usually, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So the reason I ask is it tends to be worth it to pay that extra money to get somewhere a lot quicker because there's way fewer people on those those toll roads in France if you want to travel around France. All right. Okay. So thank you very much teaching us all about traffic jams.
De rien.
Hopefully our listeners won't experience that. They'll have just good memories of France.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. May in France is amazing. Yeah. Weather is good. Yeah. It's the start of the season, of the summer season.
Yeah. Well, they should probably just take a train instead. Even though that tends to have a lot of changes. But if they want to go to the countryside, they're going to have to
drive.
So hopefully they can avoid a traffic jam with that. So until next time, à la prochaine.
À bientôt.
Au revoir.
Au revoir, Janina.
Au revoir, Joël.
For more resources on learning and teaching languages, to get on our mailing list, or to get the workbook for this course, be sure to visit reallifelanguage.com/reallifelanguageblog. If you enjoyed this episode, please be sure to subscribe and leave a rating.